When buying a stove, you need to start with the fuel source. They come in gas or electric, and in some cases dual fuel, which is an electric oven and a gas top. Next thing to consider is the size. Standard width is 30 inches, but they come in other sizes such as 36, 48, in some cases 60. Slide-in models have the controls in the front, which makes for a sleek design. The ranges are also available in what's called freestanding. The controls are in the back. These ones are usually... Another thing to consider when buying a range is the amount of burners. You could get 4 or 5 burners on most standard ranges. When you get into the professional ranges, you have the option for grills and griddles.